Hi friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good in this pandemic times, and this reminds me that there are a lot of people who keep asking me questions regarding their relationship, their career growth, their health, and I answer this through tarot card reading, and it's one of the wonderful guidance tools one can ever learn. And how can it become more better than learning in this lockdowns and making it as your second income or first income, whichever way you are interested in. Tarot is so much of a guidance. One day when a client just called up asking about should I take divorce or should I stay in the marriage, and she just wanted to have this one question because maybe she has referred many astrologers and tarot cards, and I happened to open my cards and I happened to give my reading, and I was asking her that why don't you really reconsider looking at the marriage. I was not knowing any situation because whenever people ask me for the question wise reading, I do not ask much of description. I just ask a little bit here and there. But when you are taking a detailed reading, yes, I do get into a lot of sub question, asking a bit in description. And she was amazed by my answer. I told her yours and his is definitely a karmic connection. You both had to meet this life to finish the unfinished business. Also, you are in some sort of abusive relationship, and its abusive relationship is not in terms of physical abuse or any type of other abuse, but you both have exchanged certain vows and you both had to exchange how to be without controlling each other, and that is how you are here. Maybe your husband is really having a tough time in the current pandemic times because of the finances not happening. Maybe his childhood, he had little bit trauma, and she agreed yes, he had a lot of trauma during his childhood. I also happen to say that he's listening to one of the lady figure very and getting influenced by whatever the lady is saying, and she agreed again that he is very close to his sisters and he keeps listening, and sometimes the advices are not very great and it goes against me. I said don't worry, just follow your heart call. If you are choosing to stay with him, and if you have known his values, and if you have really known that how good he is and loving you, supporting you, providing you, then you should continue with this relation. And she happened to agree that yes, I will give my 100% try and I will see if I can reconcile with him. So this way the card keeps giving you lot of guidance to where your ego props up and you are breaking your relationship, and knowing you and knowing your deeper self through tarot card helps you to come out of your shadow sides or ego or righteousness or prideful activities, and that's how you can patch up your relationship. It does not mean that if the relationship is abusive you need to be really continuing this relationship, but at least if ego is coming in the way and if it is not allowing you to really make up with the person because just one time he has done a mistake of drinking and talking any crap shit on you, it's high time you really need to wonder whether the relationships are there for you in the right way, or you just want to break off because it's your righteous attitude and pride and ego which is stopping you to reconcile. So friends, my name is Roop Lakhani and I'm a tarot card reader and tarot card master tutor. I teach tarot cards professionally and I make it in a very easy way. There are more than 1,000 students who have learned from me, and in this lockdown time I teach through lot of audio, video and visual way, which helps you to connect with the card as if I'm just sitting in front of you. So take this opportunity guys. If you wish to really learn, come forward and make sure that you've learned it, yes, and you've learned it well. So you can always contact me on my number 9821612031. You can always go through my website tarotfuture.com and rooplakhani.co.in. God bless you all, guys.